On July 16, the Israeli Air Force officially retired its last F-16C fighting Falcon, marking the end of an era. The 115 Squadron at Ovda Air Base bid farewell to the final fighter from the Barak 1 program, purchased in the 1980s, and brought an end to this chapter in Israeli aviation history. The service noted, the retirement of the last single-seat Barak 1 aircraft marks the conclusion of more than 3.5 decades of faithful service. The Israeli Air Force had a fleet of around 80 to 90 F-16Cs in their fleet. IAF already retired more than 100, in 2016-17. While the F-16A/B variants were succeeded by the Alenia M346 Lavi in the trainer role, the phase-out of the F-16C coincided with the IAF's expansion of its Lockheed Martin F-35A. Though the F-16A/B, C models are now retired, the Israeli Air Force still operates 47 F-16D Brakeheat operational trainers and 97 F-16I Super combat variants, ensuring continued capabilities and strength. The Israeli fighter Barak 1 is a variant of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, specifically modified to meet the requirements of the Israeli Air Force, IAF. The name, Barak, translates to lightning, in Hebrew, reflecting its agility and speed. The Barak 1 is part of a series of F-16 variants that have been tailored with advanced avionics, weaponry, and systems to enhance its combat capabilities. In terms of dimensions, the Barak 1 shares the general specifications of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. It has a length of approximately 49.3 feet, 15.03 meters, a wingspan of 32.8 feet, 9.96 meters, and a height of around 16.7 feet, 5.09 meters. The aircraft's maximum takeoff weight is about 42,300 pounds, 19,187 kilograms. The propulsion system of the Barak 1 is typically powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F100 Peter-Watts 200 and 220ths or General Electric F110 GE 100 and 129ths afterburning turbofan engine. These engines provide the aircraft with a thrust of around 23,770 pounds force, 105.7 kilonewtons, for the Pratt & Whitney variant and up to 29,000 pounds force, 129 kilonewtons, for the General Electric variant, enabling a maximum speed of over Mach 2. The Barak 1 is equipped with advanced technical characteristics that enhance its operational effectiveness. These include a robust airframe designed for high maneuverability, a fly-by-wire control system for precise handling, and an advanced radar system, typically the APG-68, which provides superior target detection and tracking capabilities. The avionics suite of the Barak 1 is highly sophisticated, incorporating systems such as the Elbit Systems Helmet-Mounted Display, HMD, which allows pilots to aim weapons by looking at the target. Additionally, the aircraft is equipped with advanced electronic warfare (EW) systems, including radar warning receivers (RWR) and countermeasure dispensers, to enhance survivability in hostile environments. The control systems of the Barak 1 include a digital flight control system (DFCS) that provides enhanced stability and control, especially during high-G maneuvers. The aircraft also features an advanced mission computer that integrates data from various sensors and systems, providing the pilot with comprehensive situational awareness. The Barak 1 is armed with a wide array of weapons, making it a versatile platform for various combat missions. Its armament includes the M61 Vulcan 20mm rotary cannon for close-in engagements. The aircraft can also carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder and Python 4/5, as well as air-to-ground munitions, including the AGM-65 Maverick missile, GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, and JDAM, Joint Direct Attack Munitions, kits for precision strikes. The Barak 1 has been a crucial asset in several key military operations. One of its most notable involvements was during Operation Opera in 1981, where Israeli Air Force, IAF, F-16s, including the Barak 1, carried out a surprise airstrike on the Osirak nuclear reactor in Iraq. This mission aimed to prevent Iraq from developing nuclear weapons capabilities and was considered a significant success in terms of precision and execution. Another significant mission involving the Barak 1 was Operation Peace for Galilee in 1982. During this operation, the IAF used F-16s to achieve air superiority and provide close air support for ground forces in Lebanon. The Barak 1 played a pivotal role in neutralizing Syrian air defenses and engaging enemy aircraft, contributing to the overall success of the mission. In more recent history, the Barak 1 has been involved in various operations targeting militant groups in Gaza. For instance, during Operation Cast Lead in 2008-2009 and Operation Protective Edge in 2014, the Barak 1 was used extensively for precision strikes against Hamas infrastructure and rocket launch sites. These operations aimed to reduce the threat of rocket attacks on Israeli civilian areas.